Remember that the fact that Pakistan in many ways was supporting Taliban takeover, the brutal takeover that we saw, but quite immediate, also realized that it's Taliban that they are fighting right now in different forms at the border. Meanwhile, India's naval might is also on display. Constant exercises are being done. And this is a reminder, are we looking at shifting alliances? Is there a redraw that will happen of the regional map? Afghanistan in many ways is reflective, remember, of possibly what radicalization can do. We've seen it when after Taliban has taken over. However, it is also important to understand how strategically Taliban is no friend of Pakistan right now. Pakistan is facing consistent attacks at the border when it comes to Afghanistan. My colleague Mir Farid is joining me for the latest on that. Farid, good morning. Tell me about the borders, because at this point, it's not just about Gilgit-Baltistan protests, which have erupted in massive numbers. Then there is, of course, that Jafar Express incident that happened in Balochistan. Then comes in the Afghan-Pakistan border. It's been hot for, I think, over a year now. Do you think that's also something that India will want to strategically look at? Are we looking at Afghanistan and India becoming stronger allies?
Yes, Pooja, you have to understand that Taliban over a period of time is not happy with Pakistan,
yes.
And there have been evidence on the ground, especially as you rightly said, the borders. There have been reports as far as, or in fact allegations as far as Afghanistan is concerned, that Pakistan army is doing operations on the borders, and in fact also is not keeping in mind the religious sanctity or the sanctity of the line or the borders there. So that is something that there have been continuous diplomatic issues as well as military issues with Afghanistan, and as you rightly also said, that Afghanistan is a country that has been ravaged by terror, by violence. So now obviously it understands the price that one has to pay for fostering terrorism and ensuring that gun violence continues. So it is an ally that India can develop relations with, and that could be strategically very, very important. Pooja?
So we'll be tracking that. A very important point made by Farid, that remember that constantly supporting Taliban, eventually thinking it may help Pakistan, but now Taliban has turned against Pakistan, especially when it comes to the border issues. Farid will be tracking all the latest on that. Farid, thank you very much for now.